All right, let's walk you through another box deal. Here we go. We got the Blazing Fury 1-pack. We got some tungsten screw-in. We got some flipping baits. We got some more flipping baits, Magic Crawl. We got some flipping jigs. We have a spinner bait. We have one of our rats. You have some braided line. You have another flipping jig. You have a pack of our round bend hooks. You have one of our glide baits. Those go down to 2 to 3 foot. You have the heart pounder, 7 1/4 inch worm. You got a stick bait and you got a net gator. All in that kit right there. GetHookMagicBaits.com. Check us out. Online fishing supply store, hundreds of fishing supplies. Check out our brand new box deals. We're going to have 2 different styles of box deals. Amazing products, as you can see. Check us out, GetHookMagicBaits.com, and our new box deals.